hope you guys are all well. Excuse my messy, sweaty face. I'm just coming in from running some errand, and I wanted to share with you guys some things that I found while I was out and about. Real quickly, I stopped at a local thrift store. It's a vase, and I picked it up because I love the shape of it. So if you're out and you happen to stop in any thrift store, any yard sale, and you see these vases that are shaped similar to this, go ahead and pick it up because these shapes are really in. I'm going to show you how I turn this into a more modern look just by changing the color. So yes, this was $5.50, and another one that I like was this little vase. You can see the little handles. I see a lot of these vases trending, and I think I'm gonna also paint this to update it. So stay tuned for that. It also had a lid on it. I'll show you in a little bit. Here's another pear-shaped vase. These shapes are also really in right now, so I'm probably going to use it in my fall decor, but I'm definitely going to change the color on this. I mean, if you see anything like this, similar color, similar texture, and you love the color, by all means you can just clean it up and use it as is, but I'm going to go ahead and change the color to make it more modern in my opinion. This was also $5.50. So love that I found this, and these are similar textures also, similar colors, similar textures, so I couldn't leave them.
So home stylers, we're gonna jump right into the DIY, and I'm starting off by giving each of these vases a coat of paint. For the smallest vase, I'm only gonna apply one coat of paint because I wanted to keep the authenticity of the vase and I wanted those textures to show through. For the tallest vase, I'm gonna apply a total of 3 coats, and for the pear-shaped vase, I'm gonna take some foam half circles that can be found at the dollar store or any craft store, and I'm going to eyeball them into 2 rows. Then I'm going to take some baking powder and white paint, mix them together, and apply it to the vase for some added texture. This is what's going to give it that high-end look so that it won't look like it was a DIY. I'm going to set that aside again, and while that's drying, I'm going to start working on the tallest vase. And what I'm going to do is to wrap some jute rope around the top portion of the vase. Anyways, home stylers, stick around for the reveal. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave me a comment down below. I want to know which of the vase was your favorite one. Stay blessed, and until next time, later.